National Weather Service in Mount
Got me.
New Jersey has
I'm
issued
mute.
a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, east central Salem County in southern New Jersey, south central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey,
We'll be doing these for now
County
often.
in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington
During lots of
County in
weather
southern
events like
New
this.
Jersey until 7:45 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dorothy, or 12 miles east of Island, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible.
Camera off.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Vineland, Atlantic City, Millville, Ocean City, Cumberland, Pleasantville, Hamilton, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, Berlin, Margate City, Weena, Egg Harbor City, Laurel Lake, Tuckerton, Weymouth, and Estill Manor. People at the Atlantic County megasite should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile markers 22 and 57. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 0 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage.
Ooh, tornado possible.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic.